come here. If you want to treat yourself with some luxurious products that are clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, thank you for watching. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a get ready with me featuring Merit Beauty. So get ready, get a little snack, get a little drink, a little cafecito or a little tecito like I always do, because I need a little energy. Yummy. Merit Beauty is a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free brand. They launched last month, and this was created by Catherine Power. Now, she is a very well-known entrepreneur. She is the CEO not only of Merit, but also Who What Wear and Verse, which is a skincare line. Merit Beauty, not only you can find it at their official website, but you can also find it at Sephora. I was super excited when they reached out to me and said, hey, you want to try the products? I was like, absolutely. I was able to pick out the products that I'm featuring on this video. By all means, this is not a sponsored video. I'm gonna give you exactly my 2 cents on all of these products. Now, I wanted to make sure that I use this for at least 2 weeks so I can really get to know these products and see how I really feel about them. Their concept is the minimalist makeup, no makeup look, which who doesn't love that? I personally like that, especially when it's my day off, because when I'm working, yes, I most likely will do a full beat face from here to here with false lashes. So that doesn't mean that I do this all the time. I also like to keep it very low and minimal, no pun intended, on my days off, because if I need to step out, do some groceries, do some errands, go and see my family, I want to look put together. Now, on your first purchase, you get to receive this cute little corduroy makeup bag that you can tie it, and then voila, look what we have here. It has a lot of space, so you can put as much as you can. This is what the actual packaging looks like. It's like a nice light blue color with the gold lettering. I like to start with a clean slate canvas, which I already did my skincare routine. I tied my hair already, so the hair is out the way. I like to first of all start with a Day Glow Highlighter Balm. The packaging again looks really luxurious. We're gonna go ahead and open it, and this is what the consistency looks like. This is in the shade Bounce, and I have my little notes in here. It is $30. I like to do like almost like an underpainting, where I like to put it on the highest points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin. You can build it as much as you can, and it's never gonna look too cakey. Also, the reason why I like it, because it already looks really nice and it gives me that healthy glowy look. It gives you that wet finish. However, I did notice that if you apply it on top of the foundation, it tends to pick up the foundation. The next product is called the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. Now, this particular one, as you guys can see right now, I love the color. This color, it is everything for me. You can still see what it looks like. They don't have a concealer or foundation because for them, this is 2-in-1. The reason why I feel that the point was designed like this, because this can be easily used as a spot conceal, which is perfectly what I'm gonna do right now. This comes in 20 shades and it's $38. My only downside about this is the amount of product that you receive, because it is 0.13 ounces, and for 38, she's a little bit hefty in terms of the price. So I wish they would have given me a little bit more product for that. This is in the shade Amber. Now, this color, when I apply it, and I'm gonna start applying it, you guys can instantly see how it's dark. Now, this was my fault. I take responsibility to it, and I'm gonna use their brush. This is their #1 tapered brush. I love this kabuki brush because it's slanted, it is smooth, it gives you that beautiful finish. And we're just gonna start doing one side so you guys can really see what it does to the skin. It does give you a nice natural finish. It is a light to medium coverage. And you guys can see what I'm working with right now, because I have all these acne scars. Usually my forehead is pretty good. It's usually this area that I need some TLC. I think I was able to maneuver this color, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not happy enough with the coverage. I personally like a little bit more coverage, especially because, you know, I picked up the wrong shade. I'm gonna be using my Glossier concealer. And again, I'm just gonna use my ring light. I'm gonna use my ring finger because I want a little bit more brightening effect. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna buff it out. So much better. I'm gonna use the same thing for Spot Conceal. Right now that I have concealer, this is looking so much better. I'm still glowing from within, which I really enjoy it. This particular brand did not come out with a powder. However, for me personally, I have to say that I do have to set it because I have oily skin. So I am gonna be using my One Size Beauty translucent powder. And I just like to apply this on the back of my hand. And I'm using my under eye brush, which is the Jaclyn Hill JH07. And I go back again on my under eye, just make sure that it didn't crease. And lightly tap. I still want to see that nice glowy radiant finish. But you know, that T-zone for me, it's dangerous. Now we're gonna move on to a little hint of color on the cheeks. And this is called the Flash Bomb Cream Blush. This is in the shade Terracotta. I'm just gonna apply this like my bronzer slash blush, just like that. And with this, you can either use a brush, like you can either go back like this or use your ring finger. But I'm just gonna do little tapping motions, and what I've noticed with this is that it does give you again that natural finish. It is buildable. I don't feel like it has that much pigment, but I guess you're in control and you know how you're gonna blend it. I could easily go like this and just maybe like blend out around. I may need like a little hair clip in here. There you go. So much better. But yeah, you can see the beautiful like glow from within that I get with this product. Adding a little blush just brings you back to life. Now we're gonna move on to the eyebrows. You guys see that this is what I'm working with. I have really sparse eyebrows. This one is called the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. So packaging again, very luxurious. Love the gold touch that they have. Now when I open this is what I would usually do. For some reason, I would think because of the way it's designed, I would always think that this is what I would be applying. That's happened to me a couple of times. So when I open it, it's really, this is the actually like brush that it comes with. This comes in 3 shades. The one that I chose is called brown. Now for me, I wouldn't mind spending a little bit more time doing my eyebrows because that's just me. I'm very picky when it comes to that. I'm going to show you what it looks like, just me applying this on my brows. So I would really make sure I saturate my eyebrows with this by brushing it downwards and then upwards. If I was in a rush, I can totally see myself doing something like this. Like it's better than nothing. Let me just... Okay, so you see the before and then the after. She's cute, but I still feel like I have my little gaps, sparse moments in that side. And I even sometimes like to use the tip of this brush and try to see if I can fill it in a little bit more. Now, if you have been blessed with amazing eyebrows, this would be amazing for you. However, for me, it's not enough. So I'm gonna go and fill out my eyebrows with my brow pencil. Finished both of my eyebrows. I like this look so much better. Now for the eyes, I don't have any eyeshadow palettes because again, we're going for that natural look. I like to use the Flush Bomb blush since it has like this bronzy neutral color. I just again grab my ring finger and I can just apply it all over my lid just to give you a nice little wash of color. This color, it's so versatile because you can use it as an eyeshadow. I mean, I'm going back again, you can use it as a blush, a bronzer. Really like this a lot. Just to add a little bit more definition onto the eyes, we're gonna move on to this mascara. Now this packaging, and I'm sorry, it has like a little fingerprints, is everything. So upscale, so chic. So yes, luxurious. And this is called the Clean Lengthening Mascara. It really does a good job at giving you extra length. Super opaque and black. It is your traditional wand, nothing fancy. This retails for $26. It does a really good job at lengthening and curling my lashes. You can see this side, and then boom, this side. And that is actually just one coat and I really like it. You can definitely build it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm also gonna apply this on my bottom lashes. Okay, eyes are ready. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And last but not least, we need a little lip color. This is called the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. It retails for $24. And this is in the shade Marrakech. Oh God, I'm probably chopping it. I will definitely leave it down below. It gives you that natural lip color. Look at it. Alright guys, this is the final look and I am obsessed with it. It looks really nice. I am living for this makeup, no makeup look minimalist. Like yes, this is me right now. So I'm gonna jump onto the things that I personally really enjoy and loved so much. So I'm gonna start first with the Day Glow Highlighting Stick. Love this sucker. Like I can still look, I have to look at the viewfinder because look at this, boom boom boom. Love this so much under the foundation. This amazing, really enjoy this a lot. The next product that I really enjoyed as well was a #1 taper brush. This thing feels like a cloud in your skin, like it's buffing it and it's giving you that seamless look. As you guys can see, it's so dirty that I give so much love to this brush, but like it that it's slanted because you can use it for contour, you can use it for foundation, you can use it for concealer on the under eye. I mean, the options are endless for this bad boy. The next product that I really enjoyed was the Flush Bomb Cream, in particular this shade because you can use it in so many ways. I'll have like a love and hate. Well, I'll tell you what I hate. I love it because you can use it as a blush, you can use it as a bronzer, you can use it as a nice wash of color all over the lid. Because again, it's so emollient, you have to be very careful with it. If you're gonna put this on top of your BB cream or foundation, make sure that you use either a brush, you do a little swirling motion and you tap, or if not, you can just go, what I used before was my ring finger. If you go straight ahead, you're gonna see that it's gonna pick up the product, the foundation or whatever it is that you're gonna use under it. So these are kind of like the pros and the cons about this, and this is why I wish we can have a little bit more punch of pigments. It is completely buildable. Like I can just do little tapping motions. Is it gonna be long wearing? Not necessarily. The next product that I really enjoyed as well, and my lashes can be my my witness right here, is this lengthening mascara. It does give you a nice lengthening effect, even though you see how, whoa, what the heck was that? It is your standard brush wand. I feel like it does curl my lashes, as you guys can see, and it gives you like a nice natural finish. I also did apply it on my bottom lashes, and it's a long wearing. Yes, it is. I don't see like at the end of the day I'm a raccoon with this, you know, like it starts falling apart. that's not the situation, again, I highly recommend this for you as well. Now we're gonna move on to the products that I enjoyed as well, but I'm having a little, I got my feedback to tell you about this. So number one is the Minimalist Complexion Stick. My problem with this is the amount of product that you get in here, because you get, and I have to look at this, 0.38, I think it was. No, lies, 0.13 ounce. For $38, I feel like the price on this particular product is a little bit too hefty. So if I'm gonna pay $38, give me a little bit more than that. We have 20 shades, which is not bad. I hope they can continue to expand the shade range. The tip I also enjoy because you can spot conceal. Even if, let's say, you were like me and you picked a shade darker, you can still maneuver with it. I had to go ahead and use something slightly lighter than my complexion, and I went ahead and I used my Glossier concealer. The next product that I'm like, I would pass on it is the Brow Pomade 1980. I like the name 1980 because I'm an 80s child. For me personally, because I have really sparse eyebrows and I'm maybe being over dramatic with that statement. It did actually a good job at filling them in, like my sparse areas, but I still felt like you could still see and they're peeking through to it. So I don't mind going with a pencil and just filling it, which is exactly what I did for me to be officially happy and step out of the house and be like, okay, here I am kind of thing. The color I really actually enjoyed. It's a brown color, it's ashy, it's not too warm and it's not too cool. If you have amazing brows and you just want a little something, this probably would work for you, but for me, I liked it, but I didn't love it. My overall thoughts about this brand, I really love the concept of it. I would highly recommend this product for somebody that wants to get ready in less than 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, depending on how much time you spend, like me, with my eyebrows. This would be amazing for you. Also, for those of you that are working from home, that you guys are doing Zoom calls, and again, you want to put together and you don't want to look like just rolled out of bed, even though from the bottom down, you may be wearing PJs or like sweatpants, and that's okay. But you still want to look, you know, Zoom call ready, then this would be for you. Also, I like the fact that your imperfections are still peeking through, and then again, you are in control how much product you want to apply. Let me know down below, what do you think of this product? What do you think of the outcome? What products that you would actually pick up? Let me know down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking to the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I will be seeing you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.